So we at the top. We made it!
It was after class, this girl was bad, shoot my shot. Hope I don't jag, I had a crush on this lady, she was bad as such. Wait, I sound thirsty, she was bad enough. Step two.
What's up, Kj&Deiij? It's your girl, Deiij.
And it's your boy, KJ.
And as y'all can see from around y'all, we having a snow day, y'all.
A snow day, more like a snow blizzard.
Man, it's a whiteout, y'all. So y'all already know we like doing crazy stuff. So right now, Kenya got, hi y'all. So Kenya got the little container top because I thought about this idea on my way from class. I don't know how we gonna get up here.
We finna walk up there, girl.
KJ, we gonna have snow all in our stuff.
We thugs. We finna have snow all in our stuff regardless.
All right, y'all. So we gonna start on a little slope first, and then we gonna take it big. We gonna take it big over there, if y'all can see over there. So, all right, y'all. You see what I'm saying? Look, y'all. Look at that.
This is what we gotta deal with when we go sledding for real. Come on.
Look, y'all. We ain't going nowhere.
Come on. We can make it.
Okay.
We can make it.
Okay. We almost, y'all. We getting somewhere. We getting somewhere, y'all. KJ.
How they do it in Alaska.
Dang, I didn't even know these trucks was over here.
Check out with this.
Snow pretty deep, y'all.
You know what? I'm gonna play no game.
Alright. KJ. Okay. You ready? Alright, y'all. Look, y'all see everything from up here? You could barely see the school. Woo. So we at the top. We made it! Alright, y'all. So we having technical difficulties.
But I know what will work.
What? Wait. So, guys.
This is how y'all know it's bad, y'all. Look at this. People gotta dig out they car with their snow brushes, y'all.
It's bad,
It's
y'all.
super bad out here.
I don't trust you.
Shake my hand.
Shake what hand?
Wait, hold on, chill. I said shake my hand.
Eat my dust.
I said shake my hand.
Oh!
Oh, don't run now. Spear! Let's go!
Ow! Come on.
Let's go!
Down. Ready, set. Hike.
Oh, we gotta redo that.
It's cold.
Let's go. Down. Ready, set.
Hike.
You cheated.
Blue 42.
42 blue.
Hike. Look, y'all see that?
Oh, we ain't going nowhere today.
They sliding. They sliding, y'all.
Y'all wanna come join?
They just watching us?
Uh-huh. Yeah. I don't look like we going nowhere today, guys.
Look.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I mean, shoot.
Whoa.
Stop trying to drive back. Just stop. Oh, this person's tweeting.
You gonna hit something.
She finna run into something. She need to chill.
Y'all see how severe it is, y'all. We got people staring.
Yo, who won that snow fight, y'all?
Who won that snow football challenge, y'all?
Look, we out here ducking and diving. See, we supposed to go to the mall today. This is gonna be a vlog for y'all, but the way the snow set up and our car looking,
We ain't gonna be able to, because we gonna be sliding just like the lady in the
we
truck.
probably sliding worse because that was a truck. We got a car.
Alright, y'all, so basically we was gonna come out here and show our little
Our snowboarding skills, but
and we tried to use household items because I saw it on the vlog, but
we can't use it.
the snow is too soft,
Yeah.
so we gonna wait until tomorrow.
See if it harden up, see if we can get something for y'all.
And we gonna get y'all some snowman. What y'all want?
Y'all want to see
She
me?
coming back.
Y'all want to see me slime Kj&Deiij again?
No.
Yeah, y'all. This is our happy family. This is what we do. Come outside and play in a blizzard.
Yeah,
It's a blizzard out here.
it definitely is. Ain't nobody else out here but us.
This is
People
Michigan.
driving past looking at us like we crazy. Maybe
So-
we are crazy.
What's up, KD Mob? So we back.
We have finally got in the house, got a little warm.
Yeah, we had a long day digging out cars, getting stuck.
Tackling each other.
Yeah,
So now we just home. We about to relax.
about to eat.
So we got us a pizza. We both got one. We got us some drinks. We got us some chips.
So we about to eat.
And we about to just
Chill.
relax until tomorrow, y'all. We gonna try that.
We're gonna try a skateboard sledding race tomorrow.
We gonna try it tomorrow, y'all. So
And whoever lose this race,
they gotta roll down the hill.
it's snow.
Yep. So be looking forward to that, guys. So if y'all like our vloggy vlog,
Like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the notification squad.
you subscribe. Tell your mama to subscribe. Your auntie, cousin, sister, baby, daddy, cousin, niece, Tracy to subscribe. And as always, we'll see y'all in the next video.